Hey everyone, if your smart TV keeps freezing or lagging, yeah, that can get annoying pretty fast. The good news is most freezing issues are caused by simple things you can fix in a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the best step-by-step solutions to get your TV running smoothly again. Let's jump in. First, give your smart TV a proper restart. I mean, not just turning it off with the remote. Temporary system glitches are one of the biggest causes of freezing. Turn the TV off, unplug it from the wall, wait about 1 minute, then plug it back in and power it on. Next, check your internet connection. Slow or unstable Wi-Fi can easily make apps freeze or buffer. Open network settings and confirm the connection is strong. If needed, restart your router and reconnect the TV. All right, another common reason is too many apps running in the background. Yeah, smart TVs can slow down when memory gets full. Open your recent apps or app manager and close any apps you're not currently using. Okay, this next fix works really well. Clear the cache of the app that keeps freezing. Over time, cached data can cause performance problems. Go to Settings, then Apps, select the problematic app, and choose Clear Cache. If you see clear data, you can try that too. Just know it may sign you out. If freezing still happens, check for updates. Outdated apps or system software can definitely cause lag. Update all your apps first, then check for a smart TV software update and install anything available. Now take a quick look at your storage. If your TV is almost full, yeah, performance can slow down or freeze. Go to storage settings and delete unused apps or large files to free up space. And finally, if your smart TV is still freezing, you can try a factory reset. I mean, this usually fixes deeper software issues. Just remember, this will erase your apps and settings, so use it only if the other fixes didn't help. All right, that's it. One of these fixes should stop your smart TV from freezing. If this video helped you, feel free to drop a like and yeah, subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching.